If you're experiencing approval delays with your Apple ID, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Apple ID for any messages from Apple. They may have sent you instructions or notifications regarding the approval process. Step 2. Verify your information. Log into your Apple ID account and verify that all your personal information is correct and up to date. Ensure that your name, address, and payment details are accurate. Step 3. Contact Apple Support. If you haven't received any emails where your information is correct, reach out to Apple Support. You can do this through their website or by calling their customer service for assistance. Step 4. Review account restrictions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you have taken the necessary steps, be patient and wait for a confirmation from Apple. Approval processes can take some time, so keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any approval delays with your Apple ID. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Apple Support again for further assistance.